Jumbo! This is a brief recap of what we've done so far on nuclear chemistry, things you should now be aware of. So you should know about isotopes. You should know some are stable and therefore called non-radioactive, and some are called radioactive because they are unstable and will break down in some way. The radioactive isotopes are the ones that have half-lives, and you need to know that definition of half-life. So it talks about half the nuclei of a radioactive sample decaying and the time it takes for that to happen. So when it says half the nuclei, you can also think of it as half the mass. So I could say that we have 1 billion nuclei. I could also say we have 50,000 grams or something. It would really have the same net effect. These are the particles that you have to know the name and the nuclear symbol for. And on your chart you may remember that there were 6 particles or forms of radiation listed. So we had the alpha, beta, and you don't see the gamma here because it's not a particle. And you have the proton, neutron, and positron. And you have to remember the electron and beta are the same thing. So knowing the mass and the charge nuclear symbol will really help you in tackling certain questions. Reminder of what nuclear symbols look like. The nuclear charge goes lower left and the mass number goes upper left, and we will always be using integers.